Hi Chaya, how are you?
Hello, sir.
Can you hear me, Chaya?
Yes, sorry.
Am I audible to you, Chaya?
Yes, you are audible and visible also.
Great, 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 good, good. I think we had met before some time back, isn't it?
Yes,
Previously, we had met once, correct?
yes, last year.
Long time back. Long time back, isn't it? Okay. Have you been taking regular classes?
Uh, yes, I'm taking.
Oh, good, good, good. Because I did not get to see you for a very long time, so I was wondering if you are regularly taking your classes also.
Which classes do you speak?
English
Which,
Yaari class.
no, that time I was taken. After that, the at that time I take that.
No problem. Okay, good that you are back and let's continue, shall we?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Can you please quickly check what is your topic of the day? Can you check it?
Yes, guest.
Guest. Right, right. In India, we have a concept of Atithi Deva Bhava. Have you heard this?
Yes, I have heard that.
Yes. Which in the last 20 years, 20-25 years, the guest and host relationship has changed a lot, right? Before 20-25 years, the guests were not the guests were not unwelcome. Today they are not welcome much, right?
Yeah,
Previously people did not even inform and they could just come directly to your home, right?
yes, yes.
And people would stay for many days at a stretch, right?
Yeah.
And everyone would come together and they would cook together and eat. Now we don't go to people's house for even one night
Yeah.
unless it is a wedding or something.
Hmm.
Even if it is a wedding, then the accommodation is done in a hotel. No one is staying in anyone's home. Right?
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about that part. How you feel about that?
Yes.
How did this change in our society, our culture, our intermingling? How do you feel about
Yes, in that case, in villages, it is
it?
also like that. Some of them is also like that, but
Hmm,
especially in cities, there
hmm,
is no one stay even at a single or 2 to 3 days in
hmm,
uh, each other another home.
hmm,
So it is less than city as compared to village, but in villages there is also that tradition that people come and stay together to not that much but 2 days 5 days maximum, like they
hmm,
came and uh, come together and because mm, people in village, they
hmm.
are some kind of mm, means they are I don't know the word exact.
People
They
in the
are,
villages are welcoming.
yes, the villages are welcoming, but in cities they feel it is headache for
It is a
that
headache, right? It's a
people.
headache. It's a liability. Yes, it's a
Yeah.
liability. Hmm,
And people from their house, they feel it is a headache for us and all.
correct.
Yeah. But in villages, some families like that.
Hmm. But do you think in the villages in today's date, in today's generation, the same welcoming nature is still there? Is it still there in the villages?
Uh, yes, in some houses is there, but not whole village is like that.
Hmm.
My father's house. My parents like to like that tradition that guest come to their house, but
Hmm.
not that much people is like that nowadays. And
Mm-hmm.
even in villages, no one can, like neighbors, no one go to each other home also
Hmm.
nowadays.
Hmm.
Like it is like a city in villages also.
Okay. Okay. All right. Me a little bit about your according to you, right? If you are given a task, what are the five do's and don'ts of a guest? As a guest, what are the five do's and don'ts?
Um,
What you should do and what you should not do as a guest.
you should always welcome, but in other hand, that guest should be that loyal to us.
Hmm.
The second is just act like a guest, not a family member like that. Uh,
Yes. Anything else?
should be should be a closer one of your family. He should be a positive attitude for us, and he
Yes.
should he should be um uh,
Mm-hmm.
positive thinking about yeah, about your family also. That
Okay.
guest
They should have a positive attitude towards the family also. Okay. All right.
yeah.
There. So these are the do's. Any don'ts that they should not do as a guest that they should not do. What are the don'ts as a guest?
Guest should be a guest, not that means they don't act like a family member like this.
They don't act like a family member. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And yes,
Okay. I'll give you another question. What are the do's and don'ts of a host? If you're a host, what you should do and what you should not do as a host.
host.
Yeah.
What is host? I don't know.
Host is okay. मेहमान यानी गेस्ट,
Yeah,
राइट? होस्ट जो रिसीव कर रहा है. अभी मैं अगर तुम्हारे घर पे गया तो मैं गेस्ट हूँ,
yeah.
तुम होस्ट हो,
Acha.
राइट?
Yeah. Mm,
So what are the
yes.
do's and don'ts of a host?
Uh, Host should be welcoming for guest.
Hmm.
Uh, Host should be uh, also loyal to uh, them if they are loyal to us.
Hmm.
And host should be he
Yes.
always means when someone comes in your house,
Hmm.
then you have to make food for them, and
Correct. Yes. We should take care of their food and
yes,
hunger. Yes. Hmm.
you should take care of them,
Hmm.
uh, ask him water and all,
Hmm.
and it uh,
Yes.
should be a great relation. You should be maintain a relationship with them.
Correct. Yes. You should
Yeah,
give them a good experience, isn't it?
yeah.
You should give them a good
Uh,
experience.
because they don't feel bad when they come to our house.
Yeah, they should feel at
Good.
like home, right? They should feel like home. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yes, good. Chalo, nice, very nice. What is the one thing? What is that one thing that you would like to do for your guest? If a
Yes,
guest comes to your family, what is that you would like to do for them?
yes. Actually, I'm very good at cooking. So someone comes to my house, I make good food for them.
What kind of
Um,
food would you prepare? Let's
every
say
kind
two,
of
three people. Let's say two or three people come to your home. What are the things you would prepare for
yes, any kind of food they like. According to occasion, which
them?
occasion. So I make puran poli. It is Maharashtrian dish,
Yes,
and
yes.
chicken, mutton, everything I made make
Okay.
for them.
Hmm.
In last 15 days, there were guests in my house. So that's time I made puran poli for them.
Hmm. Hmm.
So yes, I would like to do that things when someone comes in my house. I welcoming for them for
Hmm.
making food and treating that guest well.
Okay. So one of the things that you would like to do is to cook for them, cook good food for them. Yeah. Has anyone ever um, given a good review of your cooking skills?
Yes,
What do people say about your cooking skills?
yes. Actually, my spouse he says that you make a beautiful, you make a uh, delicious food, and
Praises.
he always praises of my cooking because I make good food.
Okay.
Yes,
So he appreciates your cooking skills.
he
Yes.
appreciates my cooking.
Good. Very
Uh,
nice.
but before marriage, I was not good at cooking.
Hmm.
But after marriage, I learned everything, and then I made.
Hmm. Yeah. Nice. Very nice. Let us do some sentences. I'll give you words. You'll make sentences. Okay.
Okay.
Make a sentence using guest.
Guest. Uh, guest are the guest is like our family members. If they have a positive attitude for us.
Guests are like family members. They should have positive attitude. Host.
Host. Host should be always welcoming for the guest,
Hmm.
and he should be taking care for guest.
Okay. Host should have a welcoming attitude towards the guest and must take care of it. Okay. Next. Hospitality. You know the meaning of hospitality?
No.
Hospitality means when you give good treatment to your guest. That is called hospitality.
Okay.
So this
I
hotel industry is called hospitality industry.
okay. I always provide good hospitality to my guest.
I always provide good hospitality to my guests.
Okay.
Make a sentence using impressive.
Impressive.
Yeah.
So today's conversation is quite impressive for me.
Today's conversation is quite impressive. Okay, all right, good. Make a sentence using traditional.
Traditional. India has a lot of traditions, so they follow all traditional activity in their
India
house.
has a lot of traditions. और अगर traditional use करना है, India has a lot of traditional. values,
Yeah.
or traditional celebration. Yeah.
Yes.
Make a sentence using culture.
I like to different cultures, like I like to means, in India there are different cultures, so I like that cultures,
In
and I
India,
follow.
there is a variety of cultures, and I like all of them. Yeah,
Yes, and I follow that.
and I follow different cultures of India. Yeah, make a sentence using cuisine. You know the meaning of cuisine?
It is food.
Food. Yes, correct.
Okay. So
A certain type of food is called cuisine. Maharashtrian cuisine, Punjabi cuisine, Italian cuisine. Right?
yeah, I like the cuisine in Maharashtra because it is variety of cuisines are there than other countries, and it's
In
delicious.
Maharashtrian cuisine has a lot of variety. Yeah. All right. All right. So my suggestion to you is do sentence exercises at home. Right.
Okay.
This word and sentence. Word sentence. Give 10 to 15 minutes every day to sentence formation. Try to check the grammar with ChatGPT. Yes,
Okay.
and make the corrections as per the whatever you get. But make the sentences you yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo. मिलते हैं next time. Thank you. Good day. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.